So hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we talk about like the interesting video. I am speaking English, even I make a mistake, I am trying to communicate with someone or the something like that. Because of I like to speak English, like the whenever I am speaking the English, I felt it happy for that because of if you know I'm the practicing like every day, like in my friends or in my myself or the my lonely time or the like that way. And also, if I go to some of the supermarket, yeah, I am using the English with the because of if you know I like to speak English, it is a makes matter. And guys, like how I am the practice English, like in my friends there are like speaking our mother tongue, but I am trying to speak English instead of some of the I am also speaking the mother tongue, but instead of I am using some of the English words. So that is the makes helpful for me. Like even I made a mistake, I am not the worry about that. I am not thinking on about that because of it is my the learning the year because of so many beginners there are like they were give up that this time because of everyone there are the need to thinking yeah if I speaking yeah I perfect and I should like speaking like good so that is not happen for everyone because of I know the when I start my English my YouTube channel I am the learning the passion the passion means yeah you should be need some time it is take time you should the learning and also I am speaking the every day. I am also putting so many effects for and hours and the day because of I need this because of like I am practicing like every day. Even I made a mistake, I am not the worry about that. I am not the thinking on about that. And also instead of I am the what I made a mistake, I am the learning from the mistake. What I am wrong. So I think we should like something we like articulating some of the story or like the way I'm thinking on that. So it is useful for me, guys. And also, if you made a mistake, so don't worry about that. Because of if you made a mistake, yeah, you learn from that mistake. So that is the key. Everyone, it is a unique guy. Like everyone need our cell phone time. So don't rush and also don't the frustrated. Yeah, you should in the practice we should the practice so that is the key guys yeah, you can easily speak the if you the practicing the every day and be yourself guys don't think yeah I am wasting on the time I am the worst I am the bad I am the unlikely don't think like that way because of I am also the thinking like that way after that I decided yeah no one they care about yourself so you should the practice yeah you should your upskilling so these are the important guys so the whenever you were demotivated or the your hope is lost so some of the walk in your around some of the go to outside some of the walk so that is the your better key and also when you think in yourself so that is the key guys so don't worry about that yeah, you can do it. Yeah, we are the together the learning the English. So yeah, yeah, it is happen for the at least the one day. Okay, it is the long day, so it will be the come that one day. Yeah, guys. So in this video, we are gonna discuss on that. Even made a mistake. Yeah, we are the learning English. I'm also speaking the English. So if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow. If it is helpful, share with your friends and family. Yeah, we're gonna see next video, guys.